Welcome back to Flavor of Poland. In today's episode, we'll travel to the southwest side of Poland to a place with a unique culture and cuisine unlike any other found in Poland. This region is called Silesia, and the best way to explore its past and the culture born out of it is to take a stroll through its capital city, Katowice. We may need to take a hard hat along for this particular experience, though, because Silesia is historically the center of Poland's hard industry. We'll stop at a couple of the city's most popular restaurants, which proudly uphold the region's old traditions with a modern twist. We'll then meet back in the kitchen and recreate a typical Silesian Sunday dinner, traditional beef roulade with potato dumplings and Modra Kapusta, Silesia's famous red cabbage dish. I can't wait to uncover the flavors and riches of Poland's Silesia with you today.
Funding for this program is provided by Polish and Slavic Federal Credit Union. Our credit union is more than a bank.
Baron Chocolatier.
LOT Polish Airlines offers non-stop flights from the United States to Europe via Poland or Hungary. Luggage, hot meals and drinks are all included. The in-flight entertainment system gives you access to a wide variety of movies and cartoons.
Be our guest. LOT Polish Airlines, a Star Alliance member.
Ernest Rust. Kitchens, wardrobes, interiors.
Welcome to Flavor of Poland. My name is Aleksandra August, and I'm so excited to take you on a delicious journey through my native country. I'm a Polish-American actress, but I also love to eat, and I love to cook. Growing up in the States, I was always asked questions about Poland's culture, its history, and most of all, of course, about its food. So I finally decided to take all of you from back home, back here to my first home, and introduce you to its true flavor.